Good morning, good morning, good morning, you lovely lot.
Good morning, you lovely lot.
Where are we going, my dear?
We're going to the Rooty Tooty Booty.
We are going to the Rooty Tooty Booty. Going to a car boot sale, which we always go to when we stay up here. It's one of Leigh's favourite things to do up here, isn't it, dear?
Yes.
Yes, it's a very, very big boot sale. It's the one that if you saw the video probably exactly a year ago, and if I can find the link, I will attach it somewhere. Won't be up here because I don't know how to do that,
up
actually.
There,
no, I don't know how to do that. It'll be in the description if I can find that particular video from our holiday last year. I was actually unwell and came down with something really weird and made me wobbly, and we had to ditch the car boot, didn't we, dear? So I'm not going to ditch the car boot this time. We're going to have fun this time and do the whole thing. So join us.
They have no nose to them, they're all back.
Alright, I'll give you a back once.
Do you want them off the line?
Right, it's very simple.
Which one is that?
Yeah.
Bits and pieces. They're about size He came before. Yeah, he came before. He's just getting through.
We got the what do you call it ones? Toy Story.
Yeah.
Five Nights at Freddy's.
Also, lads, we do like meaty lamb joints, like.
We've just arrived at Cromford Mill. We are doing 4 hours, which is £3 in the car park. No overnight parking, so you can't sleep here overnight. And we managed to get a space next to Amble. And I strongly suspect the naughty boys are over there in the coffee shop, because that's usually where you'll find them, in a coffee shop. There they are, the naughty boys drinking tea and coffee and eating cake. Oh, look at the baby. Oh, he's hiding now. He's dived all the way to the bottom. Where is he?
It's not very deep.
Is he coming back up?
Bubbles there.
There's not pike in there, is there?
No, it dived.
That's what I thought. Where is he?
Yeah.
Oh, that had me worried. Oh, you little what's it. We've come to visit Cromford Mill. This is the cafe. This is the upstairs bit of the cafe. This is some pictures of the mill back in the day. We're right by the canal, and the canal would have served the mill to bring materials and take materials away. Lots of ducks and cygnets. And I guess this would have been one of the big barn doors for lifting stuff in. There's a crane. That's where everyone's sat. We've moved under the gazebo and brought a couple of chairs together because Leigh and Tracey have joined us now. We've still got some of the original ironwork in here. From when this was a working building. There we are. Having a little bit of lunch before we head off on a little walk up the canal. We're going to have a little look at Cromford Mills, and this is Cromford Mills. Hopefully we will learn a little bit about the history of the mills.
Splat that end, off again. And I can bend that up into a hook shape. And they've got a little hook. Just screwed in the middle.
Oh, that's really cool. And you put the screw through the middle?
Yeah, screw through the middle.
Oh. Yes, that one I think, please. Oh, do you know?
No?
Well, I'm just trying to decide if I want 4 or do I want 3. 4, please. I like even numbers. I don't know. You turn your back to buy iron products, and this happens.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. What is that from?
It's just joy.
It's just joy.
It's heaven in a cone.
Could someone get the man a room?
Lemon cheesecake.
Lemon cheesecake. What is yours? That sounds
Oh,
what?
that is not a flake.
That's it's a slab. Don't drop it. I'm really worried it's going to fall off.
How much were those?
I can see why. They are worth.
It's not exactly
worth it.
skinned on the ice
No, not at all.
I'd lose half of that. I'd be dribbling.
You're looking a bit cold on the top of your head. You need to grow a bit more hair. Oh, luscious locks. Quite impressed with these things. Old jeans turned into bags. It's quite clever, isn't it? Sewing the legs up together.
But me being me,
Got your flies undone. Mm.
yeah, how clever I like that.
You ever thought of a job at QVC? Showing how things work. Heather would love it here, wouldn't she? With all this wool. It's all curly.
He's trying really, really hard. And we should make these, but it's making us go for actually we're entwined. There's no huge. I used to live on my own last week, nice and quiet, and I got to live on my own this week, and it was awful. So it's really weird coming from a house full of kids and to suddenly have nothing but.
No garden I've ever seen. Not that tall.
What have you found over there?
So no, I mean, so.
And what is that exactly?
It's not what you think it is.
I think it's a toadstool.
Yes, it's
Is it a dibber for...
it's a dibber. Yes.
It's a dibber.
Not what I thought it was at all.
No, I bet it wasn't. This section of the wall is a different colour to the rest of it because back when the colour works were occupying the building, the chemicals that they used were absorbed into the walls and contaminated all of the walls, which meant that the walls then became poisonous. They did say that 239 tonnes was removed during decontamination, which is about the same weight as 15 canal barges. That's all been decontaminated.
So you can lick the windows.
I don't think you could lick the windows and the walls, dear. No, I don't think that would be a good idea in general. It was the lead contamination that they used in the colour process for the fabrics. And that's what all that yellow is. Starcom? What's Starcom? Is that a TV show?
A bit brown.
What's this Playmobil?
Thundercats.
Oh, Thundercats. That's very 70s. What have you found?
Matchbox mini wheels.
Mini wheels?
With
Oh, whiz wheels. Is that going to your collection?
no.
No.
Matchbox.
If I wanted to buy one of those little cows, probably about £8.
bullies. That one is following that one, but that one's being really horrid to it.
Is that strange? I think the other two are adults.
Are they?
That's a baby. It might not be their baby.
Right.
It might have got separated from...
But they don't look big enough to be. They look all fluffy and baby-like.
They are little.
Look, it's going to have a go at it again. It's a baby grebe. Okay. It's being picked on by the other grebes. Oh, they are. We've decided that might actually not be a baby. I thought it was a duckling when I first arrived, that one that dived earlier in the video. But it's not. And that baby seems to be following it and the other one. But it's being downright horrible to it. There you go. Yeah, ducky.
You're making a mess. There you go. You done? No.
Oh, he's going to take advantage of that, isn't he? Oh no, maybe not.
Well, could be a couple.
Could be. He's being very attentive. Yeah, she didn't like that.
No, not feeling that.
She does look strange. She doesn't quite look like a pigeon.
She's got the eye.
Yeah, but the rest of the face doesn't look right.
The rest of it's not. Yeah, I wonder if it's actually a cross with a dove.
It's 9:30 and I forgot to end the vlog, which I've been doing every night this holiday, so for the past 2 nights. Sorry about that. Anyway, I'm going to end it properly tonight. Thank you very much for watching, you lovely lot. Make sure you come back tomorrow for our possibly slightly soggy day in Matlock Bath, which is where we're planning on going tomorrow, and possibly Matlock as well. And we'll see you then. Thanks for watching.